Good morning, everyone. I'm here in Stuttgart, outside of the Porsche Museum in Germany, and I'm super stoked to go in there. And I know you guys probably are like, what the heck, that's not Neo, but you know what? I don't care. I like Porsche. I love the cars. I love driving them. And if I had more money, I would certainly opt for a Porsche and a Neo, or instead of a Neo, but I don't, so I don't. So if you come to visit Porsche in Stuttgart, you can get off the train here at Porsche Platz, and it's literally right next to the museum, which is, I find to be incredible, because I think as an American, I don't think most of our automobile museums would look too fondly upon having a train station, mass transit right next to their museum or their factory or anything like that, because we are, we're Americans. I might just be projecting here. There could be some museum in Detroit right next to the train stop, but who knows? And then one other thing to note is it's 10 euros to come to see this museum and €4 for parking. And there is free EV parking. Even, hey, it's not a Porsche EV, it's a Neo, totally free. So I'll be all topped up when I go back when I'm done. So that's pretty good. I gotta say that if you are into cars at all, if you like Porsche at all, definitely worth the €10 to come here. And especially if you don't have any charge in your battery and you have an EV, you can come here and it can pay for itself, because charging an EV here in Europe is expensive. And I've been here 2 hours or so and I am topped up 95%. And I know, shouldn't charge you 100, but hey, I got places to go, so I'm gonna be doing that in 2 days. So better to charge here as much as possible than charge elsewhere. So I'm out of here. Awesome to see Porsche Museum, and bye-bye.